Hey guys, good evening. Just here to tell you a little bit about a sketching pencil that I used while I was I went to school for art history and fine arts back in the day. So I remember I had purchased these a couple times and then I really loved them. And then my sister-in-law said, would you mind sketching out a tattoo idea I have? So I said, sure, of course. And then I kind of revisited my sketching days and went and purchased Mars Lumograph sketching pencils. So I guess this is the brand STAEDTLER Mars Lumograph sketching pencils. If you guys are familiar at all with like art and stuff like that, art class, whatever, they have all different types of pencils. So like they have like 2B, 4B. In this pack they come with 6 pencils: 8B, 7B, 6B, 4B, 2B, and HB. They come in a little tin. And if you guys are in like taking an art class or something, you might have the teacher tell you, oh, you know, just go ahead and purchase, you know, like 4B pencils, whatever the case is. I know that's really something that is really popular in like drawing 1 or drawing 2 or stuff like that, the drawing classes. These work excellent, so these are definitely the brand that I recommend over all of the other ones. Mars Lumograph, highest quality graphite pencils, no matter if you write, sketch, or draw. Mars Lumograph pencils glide smoothly over the paper. They are highly break resistant and easy to erase, which is definitely something that you want, because you don't want pencils that are going to constantly be breaking, because then you're going to sit in class and then you're going to have to keep sharpening them and keep erasing if there was any mistake made because of it, and it's just a pain in the neck. So definitely worth it to purchase a good brand, and these would be the best brand in my opinion. Mars Lumograph pencils are available in 16 finely differentiated degrees, from especially soft, which would be the 8B, to extra hard, which would be 6H. I guess they use these in a lot of countries, so they're basically written in every language you could think of. While 16 degrees are also available singly. For me, it just made sense at the time to just purchase the pack since it had most of the pencils I needed anyway. STAEDTLER Mars, GmbH & Co., KG. I guess this is where they're made, Nuremberg, Germany. The website is www.staedtler.com or info@staedtler.de. I think that may be a email address. And it shows you the different kinds of pencils. I am going to open this up so you guys can see in here. It's a nice tin that it comes in. I appreciate that too, because it's like, you know, even though I had like a little container which was made of plastic where I kept all my art supplies, this was definitely break resistant and really nice. They're easy to sharpen. I always just use like an electric pencil sharpener rather than the handheld one, because I figured they work faster and they're cheap, so why not? This pencil, so it says on like the top here what they are. So this is the 4B. What else do I have here? Here we have the 2B. So it'll always say on the top of the pencil like what they are. I think 2B was, I mean, if I remember correctly, we're going back about 8 or 9 years. Oh yeah, they're made in Germany. But I think that 2B was probably the most popular one to draw and like sketch with, if I'm not mistaken. Just really easy to write with, and I love the smell. I don't know if that's weird, but I just love the smell of fresh pencils, because it just brings back good memories of like when I used to sketch and draw and stuff like that, which I still want to get back into, but life gets crazy. Things always come up, and sometimes it's hard to make time for that sort of thing, because you know, you want to do a good sketch. It takes a while, but I love these pencils. I think even if, you know, you guys aren't in art class, just to have in the house if you want to just have fun sketching. These are great for the, you know, these are great for that. You don't want to just use like a regular Bic pencil. You want to use. So guys, these are Mars Lumograph sketching pencils. I think they're the best sketching pencils that you could find. I hope you found the video useful, and I thank you for watching.